computer can do a lot of things in a better and faster manner than us. But it can work only according to the instructions given to it. A computer works with instructions that we give. This is called data input. This input can be in the form of numbers, words, sounds, or pictures. The working of a computer is similar to the working of a human brain. A computer works on 3 basic steps. Look at the process of a computer and the juicer machine as given below. The 3 stages of carrying out instructions. Input. We enter data and instructions into the computer to get meaningful information. What we enter is called input. This input is done through input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. Processing. The working on data by the CPU is called processing. When we give instructions to the CPU to do calculations, it carries out the instructions and works on the data to solve the problem. Processing means arranging data to give the meaningful result. CPU is a processing device. Output. The computer displays the final result on the monitor after it finishes the processing. The result is known as output. The output can be sent to an output device. The output can be seen through output device like monitor and printed on paper through a printer. For example, if we want to add 3 numbers, we do the following. We input 3 numbers, say 3, 4 and 8. Give instruction to add them up. For example, type 3 plus 4 plus 8. The process takes place in the CPU, that is, adding of 3, 4 and 8. The result is displayed on the monitor or the VDU. This is known as output, that is 15.